Hey guys, I'm Ryan Naylor here to help you grow as a guitarist, and in this guitar theory lesson we are going to be doing an introduction to intervals, namely what they are and why you should learn them. So what is an interval, you may ask? Well, quite simply it is the distance between two notes. But how do we measure that? Well, up to now we've learnt how you can play the major scale and how it was a series of tones and semitones. Well, that's going to be like our ruler, as it were. The major scale is our ruler upon which we measure the distance between two notes. And the unit of measurement on our ruler would be the tones, being 2 frets, and semitones, which is 1 fret. Well, why is it important to learn intervals? Well, because they are the basis upon which we create music. Music is a series of intervals up and down, both melodically in terms of a melody and harmonically when it comes to making chords. And going forward in this guitar theory course, I'm going to be using these terms to describe the notes that we are playing in our arpeggios, our pentatonics, the diatonic scales, and all other exotic scales you might find. We're also going to be using intervals when it comes to constructing chords. And a knowledge of the intervals within a chord will help you more easily play them on the fretboard, and not only that, be able to tweak those chord shapes that you know to create different chord types and chord voicings. So what to expect in these forthcoming videos? I'm going to first take you through the 7 intervals of the major scale. So in the case of the C major scale, we're going to go, what's the distance between C to D, C to E, C to F, C to G, C to A, C to B, and C back to C. What is that? And then what we're going to do is the additional 5 intervals that we find in between the notes of the major scale to give you a total of 12 chromatic intervals within 1 octave. Going on from there then, we're going to start thinking about how we stack these intervals to create different scales and chords. So hopefully that clears up what intervals are. Let's get stuck in and learn some.